Good evening. Law is meant to serve the living and does not beat its abstract wings in the jural void. Its functional fulfillment as social engineering depends on its sensitized response to situation, subject matter, and the complex realities which require ordered control. A holistic understanding, a simple justice to the meaning of all legislations. Fragmentary grasp of rules can misfire or even backfire. These words of Justice V.R. Krishnaya serves as a true reminder for the legal society as to what, why, and how justice be served. A delightful evening to the esteemed galaxy of intellectuals, distinguished guests, eminent lawyers, respected professors, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we stand united on this prestigious platform for the valedictory session of the fourth International Mediation Competition put forward by Kerala Law Academy Law College in association with Kerala Law Academy Moot Court Society and IQAC KLA. We are present to observe and evaluate the abilities of aspiring lawyers in effectively presenting their arguments to achieve justice for themselves and those who rely on them. The international mediation competition, organized by Kerala Law Academy Law College, has evolved into a nationwide event attracting participants from law schools across India.
The Kerala Law Academy Law College, established in 1966, has entrenched itself as a center for legal studies, legal research, and law reforms. The fourth international mediation competition put forward by the Law Academy aims at inculcating international ethos into the Indian standards of mediation. Mediation competitions equip law students with a well-rounded skill set, contributing significantly by offering a range of benefits and by preparing them for successful careers in the legal field and beyond. Mediation competitions serve as a practical and educational platform, promoting a deeper understanding of alternative dispute resolution methods. These competitions provide an invaluable opportunity for students to experience the mediation process firsthand and to develop their abilities in negotiation, communication, and conflict resolution. This mediation competition has witnessed the engagement and involvement of various people from various extents of the country that has made this event a grand success.
When we engage in transparent and sincere communication, we can overcome any differences or barriers between us. The statement is truly impactful and holds great significance. We are delighted to welcome Srimati Priya M.K. Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy, to deliver the welcome address. Ma'am has made a significant impact through her dedication and innovating teaching methods. Her commitment to fostering a nurturing learning environment has inspired both students and peers alike. Her steadfast support and successful engagements were pivotal for the success of this event. Ma'am, your energetic and unique approach to work has truly inspired us and will undoubtedly guide us in planning our upcoming events. With great pleasure, I invite Srimati Priya Ma'am to welcome our guests into this valedictory session. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Gauri. Esteemed Gokul Narayan Sir, Chief Executive Officer, Asian School of Cyber Laws, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha Sir, Vice Chancellor, Dharma Shastra National Law University, Jabalpur, Advocate Nagaraj Narayan Sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy Law College, Professor Anil Kumar K. Sir, Director, Administration Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy Law College, esteemed guests, participants, and faculty members. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you to the valedictory session of the 4th International Mediation Competition 2025, organized by Kerala Law Academy Law College in association with the KLA Moot Society and IQAC KLA. Mediation competitions play a crucial role in promoting peaceful conflict resolution and developing essential skills for law students and young professionals. They provide participants with practical experience in mediation, teaching key abilities like active listening, negotiation, and empathy. These competitions also foster a collaborative approach to problem solving, emphasizing the value of dialogue and compromise over confrontation. As we commence this significant event, I'm honored to introduce our esteemed guests who grace us with their presence, enriching our gathering with their invaluable sights and expertise. Firstly, it's a great honor to welcome Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha, sir, Vice Chancellor of Dharma Shastra National Law University, Jabalpur. Sir, your outstanding contributions to human rights, constitutional law, and international law have made you a leading figure in legal academia. With a doctorate from Jawaharlal Nehru University and an LLM from the University of Nottingham, your work has profoundly impacted legal scholarship. Sir's prestigious visiting professorship at the Royal Wallenberg Institute of Human Rights in Sweden is a testament to your global influence. His dedication to legal education and your extensive research continue to inspire countless students and professionals in the field. We are privileged to have you with us today, sir, and we look forward to your invaluable insights. Next, it's a great honor that we warmly welcome Gokul Narayan, sir, Chief Executive Officer, Asian School of Cyber Law, a true luminary in the field of legal education, mediation, and entrepreneurship. As a Chief Executive Officer of the Asia Law School of Cyber Laws, Sir has made significant contributions to the legal landscape, especially in the areas of information technology law, intellectual property laws, and mediation. With over 15 years of experience, his innovative teaching methods have shaped the careers of countless law students and professionals. While his pioneering work in developing specialized legal courses has brought about a paradigm shift in legal education. His research in digital evidence, intellectual property rights, and mediation in matrimonial disputes has earned him a well-deserved reputation as an authority in these critical areas. We are truly fortunate to have you with us today, sir, and we extend our heartfelt welcome to you. It's with great honor and admiration that we welcome Advocate Nagaraj Narayan, sir, Distinguished Director of Kerala Law Academy and a respected member of the Bar Council of Kerala. Sir, your leadership transcends mere administration. It's a vision that empowers every individual at this institution to strive for excellence. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, and are grateful for your continuous support in shaping the future of this institution. Additionally, we extend a warm welcome to Professor Anil Kumar K, sir, Director of Administration Students and Faculty Affairs at Kerala Law Academy, who has consistently extended his unwavering support to every endeavor within our college, making his invaluable presence felt in every aspect of our academic and extracurricular activities. His proactive approach to addressing challenges and fostering growth has greatly contributed to the success of our institution. I extend my warmest welcome to you too, sir. Next, we give a heartfelt welcome to Professor Harindran K, sir, Principal, Kerala Law Academy. With a wealth of knowledge and years of experience in the field of legal education, Sir is a shining example of academic brilliance. His leadership and vision has been instrumental in fostering our environment of growth and excellence, and we are honored to have him with us today. We welcome you sincerely to this event, sir. With immense pleasure, I extend a heartfelt invitation to Professor Anil Kumar G, sir, Vice Principal, Kerala Law Academy, to grace us with his presence at the upcoming event. Sir's steadfast and profound knowledge have consistently served as a guiding light for all of us. We welcome you sincerely to this event, sir. It's with immense respect and appreciation that we welcome Professor Dr. Ajlan Nair Elna, the esteemed head of the department at Kerala Law Academy. With over 2 decades of unparalleled experience in the legal field, ma'am has not only enriched the academic landscape, but has also been a guiding light for the countless students and professionals. Ma'am, we extend a heartfelt welcome to you. We are honored to extend our warmest welcome to Dr. Dakshina Saraswati ma'am, Associate Professor and General Secretary of the KLA Moot Society. Through her unwavering dedication and exceptional mentorship, she has played a pivotal role in shaping the academic and practical aspects of legal education, inspiring students to reach their full potential. We welcome you wholeheartedly, ma'am. I extend a warm welcome to Advocate Kasturi J, ma'am, Assistant Professor at Kerala Law Academy. Her invaluable role, dedication, and commitment to ensuring the success of this competition are truly commendable, and we deeply appreciate her contributions to this event. We welcome you, ma'am. It's with great respect and gratitude I now welcome Srimati Shalini AP, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy. As one of the driving forces behind the success of this event, her dedication, tireless effort, and constant support have been truly invaluable. Her unwavering commitment to ensuring the smooth execution of this competition, excluding her countless hours of hard work, has played a significant role in bringing us to this moment. We extend a heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. I would like to extend a warm welcome to Hannah Azza, one of our dedicated student conveners of this international mediation competition. It's a great pleasure that I welcome her to this event. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed faculty co-conveners, Srimati Janu Krishna, Srimati Shanti Ji Nair, Srimati Arya Sunupol, Srimati Anishri A.S., Dr. Binod P.M., and Advocate Gayatri S.B., Assistant Professors of Kerala Law Academy, for all their tireless efforts in organizing this competition. We welcome you all to this event. A heartfelt welcome to all our dedicated student conveners, Gautam, Manupriya, Banshri, Harinarayan, Gauri, Neeraj, Nibin, Saran, Adat, Prajit, Sri Lakshmi, Anugraha, Kailas Nag for their collective passion, hard work, and enthusiasm. I also extend my heartfelt welcome to the anchors of this today's session, Gauri Sevi and Sarah Susan Thomas, for their perfect tone for this Valedictory session. At last, not the least, a warm welcome to our IT team, faculty members, and non-teaching staff. Your unwavering support and dedication plays a crucial role in the success of this event and the smooth functioning for all the operations. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I take this opportunity to welcome you too into this event. Now for the presidential address. We have with us Mr. Gokul Narayan Sir, Chief Executive Officer, Asian School of Cyber Laws. Sir completed his bachelor's and master's in law from Symbiosis Law School, Pune. He began his career as the head of operations at the Asian School of Cyber Laws, later serving as the director of Data 64, an innovative educational organization. He has also been a faculty member at the Symbiosis School for Liberal Arts. Since 2016, Sir has been serving as the Chief Executive Officer of the Asian School of Cyber Laws. Over the years, he has trained more than 100,000 participants, including law students, lawyers, judges, law enforcement officers, chartered accountants, and IT professionals. He has also delivered lectures at over 50 prestigious universities and organizations across the country. Sir, it is an honor and an esteemed privilege to have you with us in this auspicious event. It is my pleasure to humbly invite you for this presidential address, sir. Sir, please.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Am I audible? Is there a lot of background noise that's coming? Unfortunately, I'm at the airport, so I'm surrounded by a lot of commotion. I've tried to find the quietest corner that I can in Delhi International Airport, and this is the best that I could do. So my sincere apologies for where I'm trying to deliver this conversation from. Let me begin with thanking the organizers at Kerala Law Academy for having me and for associating with the Asian School of Cyber Laws as one of the partners in this event. In no order of priority, just the names that I can remember. Thank you so much, Nagat sir. Thank you so much, Lakshna ma'am, and the entire team for having me over here and assisting me with conducting the session today in the final rounds as well. Manoj sir, thank you so much for being here. I've heard a lot about you. Thankfully, I've had the opportunity to meet you finally, sir. Great honor and a great pleasure. And to all the other members present over here, thank you so much for having me. I just wanted to say a few words about the competition in itself. I think the team at KLA did an exceptional job at pulling this together and having all the participants go through the entire competition with absolutely seamlessly. I was joined in this final round just a few hours back with two esteemed judges, and we thoroughly enjoyed the process of evaluating both the teams as well as the parties. And I must say this, however you've managed to do this, you brought together the finalists, which were exceptional. They performed exceptionally well. The feedback that we gave the participants also was not as if they are participants in a moot court competition, young participants in a moot court competition, but it was more from the perspective of what we tried to tell them in the from the perspective of practicing mediators and clients doing mediation advocacy. They've already, I can with great humility say that the participants who we had the honor of judging were phenomenally better than I was, even though when I started mediation, I was already 10, 15 years into the profession. I started mediation much later in life. These children are from various law colleges from around the country, second, third, fourth year children, and they have performed absolutely fantastically. It was very heartening to see the enthusiasm and the passion with which they participated in this competition and how well they performed. They the they were the perfect judge's nightmare. Every judge um, hates the idea of trying to pick a winner and a second in a competition. And they put us through that nightmare because we racked our brains, we hit our head against the wall, the three judges who were present, to try and figure out how do we separate the parties. There has to be a winner, there has to be a loser, but you made our work as judges extremely difficult, and that's a testament to how good these participants actually were at the task that they were given. So, congratulations to the participants who came through to the finals, and congratulations to the organization for having picked out the best to bring to the finals. I just like to state a few things in the context of mediation, which I think is a very relevant thing that all of us must carry forward with us. There is a major impetus in mediation that the country is going through, which is a reality of. Thank God that this impetus is coming about, because it's high time we started exploiting the potential, the true potential of mediation that exists in our country. We have a democratic setup with a socialistic bent of mind, and in a situation and in a country like ours, mediation provides the perfect ground for immense success. We don't have to follow the West. We don't have to follow anybody else. We have the perfect ingredients for making mediation the biggest form of dispute resolution anywhere in the world. There are countries like the United States of America which have shown us the way in the recent past on how effective mediation can be done, but our situation is very different. Our requirements are very different. Our the kind of public that we cater to, the size and volume of dispute resolution that we require is very different. Uh, the volume of cases apart, even the quantum of dispute in terms of how much people bring to the table for resolving a dispute is also very different. Generally, mediations in Western countries are seen as high value cases which are brought for mediation services, but our country provides the opportunity for having mediation practiced for smaller value cases to bring justice, effective, efficient justice to the grassroots level. And that's the reality of our country. And it's a brilliant opportunity for mediators such as yourselves to be mediators such as yourself, mediation advocates such as yourself, to get into this field and try and promote it to a level that my generation would never have been able to. It is the future of dispute resolution. And mark my words when I say this, it is going to overtake arbitration as the most preferred form of ADR in India in the next 2 to 3 years itself. Arbitration, in the manner in which it is functioning right now, has its own limitations and restrictions within which it functions. Mediation isn't subject to it. With the Mediation Act coming in and the rules and regulations being implemented, hopefully very soon, we'll see a great impetus towards mediation, with a lot more people becoming serious about taking it up as a serious profession choice, not just as an alternative to a litigation practice. And that's the future that I think we will see very soon. I'd only like to bring your attention to a particular point which is of concern. A typical law school education lasts for about 3,600 hours. If you take 60 hours per subject, and considering the fact that there are about 5 to 6 subjects taught every semester, and considering the fact that there are 2 semesters spread over 5 years, I'm talking about the 5-year law course, you're studying close to about 3,000 to 3,600 hours of legal education. The sad part is that out of 3,000 to 3,600 hours of legal education that we have, only 10 hours, at best 15 hours, is spent on collaborative dispute resolution and mediation. That's the sad reality of what we have. And despite that very severe neglect that mediation has and is being given in the legal education system, there are still competitions that are coming up, such as yours at the Kerala Law Academy, which is promoting this. Is very heartening to see. But we'll need not just these competition, but also a change in our mental attitude, where we take on mediation and its possibility far more seriously. It has the potential to bring about change, but that would require a dynamic thought shift a paradigm shift from not just the legal educators, not just the Supreme Court or the various courts in the country, not just lawyers, students, but stakeholders to a legal landscape. We need to change the perspective and take on mediation and mediation related education far more seriously instead of treating it like a um, my biggest grouse against this entire thing is we still call it alternative dispute resolution. We're not using words like appropriate dispute resolution. It's an alternative to litigation, and you've already sidelined it to a status of a sideshow. I'm not saying that litigation can be replaced completely, but there are certain situations which are tailor-made for mediation and can alleviate the trouble that litigation finds itself in today. I'm not going to take up too much more of your time, Dakshinam. I'm very particular that I do not speak more than 8 to 9 minutes. I have my timer on. I've hit the 8-minute mark, and therefore I will take your leave. Thank you so much, Manojji. I'm going to be online to try and hear your thoughts as well. Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you online, and hopefully I will get the opportunity to meet you in person as well. Thank you so much to the organizers. Thank you so much, Priya ma'am, and hope to come to KLA soon and meet all of you in person. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words of wisdom. Moving on to the most awaited moment of this evening, the declaration of results and valedictory address. Today, we are blessed with the presence of an eminent personality, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha, sir, Vice Chancellor of the Dharmashastra National Law University, Jabalpur. He previously served as the Director of the prestigious Indian Institute of Law. He has been a regular speaker at various institutions, including leading law schools in India and abroad, the UGC Academic Staff College, the International Committee of the Red Cross, the Ministry of External Affairs, and the Ministry of Environment and Forest. He is also a member of the editorial boards of several esteemed national and international journals. Further, at the NEET Global Conclave 2021, organized by the Indian Observer Post in New Delhi, he was honored with the Great Indian Teachers Award. With immense privilege and gratitude, I invite Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha, sir, to kindly announce the name of the winners of this competition and also to deliver the valedictory address. Sir, please.
Thank you very much, Gauri. So let me start with the best mediator first. Best mediator for the 4th International Mediation Competition 2025 goes to Mr. Aditya Jain, National University of Advanced Studies, Legal Studies, Kochi. Moving on, Aditya, congratulations. Runners-up prize goes to the Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. And winners, I'm sure that you all are aware now, National University of Advanced Studies, Kochi. So all congratulations to all winning teams, runners-up and best mediator. So thank you very much. I think all the participants are here. Gauri, should I start my speech now?
Sir,
Hello.
sure, sir.
Yeah. All right. So congratulations to our winning team, runners-up team, and Aditya for the best mediator. It's wonderful to be here. Just when I received a call from Dr. Dakshina, and she said we are having a program on the 7th of March in the evening. And I said, yes, I'll definitely. And then she said, next thing is the online. Then I said, there's no problem. Online, I am always on. So there's no problem. Offline, little bit difficult to travel. But I would have loved to come there, maybe in future, because Kerala Law Academy, I was going more frequently. But after COVID, it has come down. But I'm very happy that we are reconnected and we got a chance to again strengthen our relationship. So our relationship with the Kerala Law Academy goes long time back. Let's also I take this opportunity on the eve of the International Women's Day to all the young women or all the women to congratulate, to wish them a very happy International Women's Day, which is going to be celebrated tomorrow on the 8th March. The mediation, the initiative which Kerala Law Academy has taken It's a wonderful and very timely. And I noted in the Gokulji, he mentioned many things, and mediation has never been taken so seriously in Indian context, and particularly when it comes to the legal education. In any function, in any seminar and conference, people always highlights that mediation was practiced in ancient India. It was always there, no doubt about that. Panchayat has also mediation system. In Indian society, it was followed to resolve the family dispute, land disputes, and other disputes. So some way mediation, a part of mediation was much ingrained in the Indian society. But unfortunately, it took long time to realize the importance of the mediation as the source of the or as the means of the alternative dispute resolution. Very late, and that too with much opposition. The section 89 of the CPC enables parties to opt for the settlement process, and that is there. And then we know that what happened now in two important cases which were decided by the Supreme Court of India, Salem Bar Association versus that in 2005 case, more or less settled. In a time where we have huge pendency that has been highlighted by Gokul also, so there is huge pendency in India. So how to resolve these disputes? How effectively reduce the pendency?
So your mic is muted.
So just it got automatic. So should we continue to rely on the court for the resolving or deciding all the matters, civil, criminal, which have been taking ages? And we know that court on its own part, they are trying their best. The time has come. We must resort to the active use of ADR, and that is more important in the mediation. Mediation is a very important form of the settling of the dispute compared to arbitration. Unfortunately, arbitration, which has been highlighted by the speakers Gokul also, that it has become another form of the lawyer's paradise. Lawyers, retired judges, so many people are engaged, and it drags on for many years. And that is why, despite our best efforts in the government of India, India has still not achieved its desired goal to make the India as a base destination for international disputes and international arbitration center. Some way we are struggling. We have in Hyderabad, we have in Delhi or something like that. So we see some hope in the mediation as the best mode, and I'm sure that the participants who participated, both team, winners team and runners up team, how much they might have worked for learning the skill, arguing, and then establishing they have familiarity with the mediation, because mediation is hardly taught in the law college. When it comes some way it is part of the clinical legal education, as rightly pointed out by the previous speakers. And we know that how 4 clinical legal papers are taken by the university and by the students. So some way a huge gap exists in the clinical legal papers is there. The settling of disputes and speedy redressal of disputes become very fundamental and very important concern. And I gave you an example, and that will take you to the Commercial Disputes Act, also Commercial Courts Act 2015. There's a history behind commercial court adoption of the Court Act 2015. And I remember I was part of the Indian Law Institute as a director, and I received a call from the Ministry of Law and Justice, and they said we are going to have a meeting in the Indian Law Institute. That is about the how to bring down our ranking according the WTO. So our ranking was very bad, more than 134, 135. We are ranked as the destination for the investment and trade. So officials were engaged with the World Trade Organization's persons and other institutions to find out what actually wrong in Indian system, why people are not preferring, why businesses are not preferring a destination in India. And it was told to them that the judicial system is very prolonged in India. Like a decision is given, court takes long years, many years to decide a case, and that is one of the important stumbling block for the investment, and that has forced government to come out with the commercial courts act 2015. And you see that you'll just, if you go back and search, you'll find in the 2015 our rank was around 130 in the global trade index, and it has come down subsequent, hugely in the next term around 90, and then gradually our ranking has improved. So somewhere dispute resolution mechanism depends, it helps a country to attract investment and other things, and that is how we have made changes. We have even the section 89, and then subsequently rule 4 of the alternative dispute resolution rules 2003, which talks about the mediation. We have mediation under the Commercial Courts Act, we have under the Legal Services Authorities Act, we have under the Consumer Protection Act, and also we have mediation under the Companies Act for section 492. So every places we have mediation. The time has come that we have to take care and we make that mediation as I correctly point. I hope that happens in 3-4 years time, or even if it takes 5-6 years. I won't mind that mediation becomes an important way of resolving the disputes in India. Mediation, like a mediator has he just simply helps. He doesn't involve himself, he doesn't engage himself in convincing the party. He brings the party together, and in a way as a silent spectator. So he creates a conducive environment where both disputed parties can enter in debate, discussion, and arrive on some kind of solution. So the mediator is not playing very important role but mediator ensures that he remains a neutral person. He doesn't take a side and share the documents and other things, and let the party discuss, debate, and thresh out their differences and come into the conclusion on there. The next point which I have in the mind, that how law school can play a very important role. And when I say law school, I always think, and I remember many times I have said, some law colleges are in a very privileged positions. All national law schools, some private law schools, they have a different kind of setup. They are more or less equal when it comes to the disseminating legal education, or the way they teach law in some of the private colleges and also in the national law schools. But many law schools in India, today we have more than 2,000 law schools in India, they are deprived of the quality legal education. And I believe that in that sense, Kerala Law Academy and other law schools, including all national law schools, have a greater responsibility for mentoring the colleges, those colleges which are not having sufficient facilities, at least to motivate the students, bring them and mentor them. And some way we can also help the students studying in the various colleges where lack of infrastructure, lack of teachers, and other things, we can play very important role. And I am sure Kerala Law Academy has been doing. Bar Council of India has also issued a letter where they emphasize, in 2020 they issued a letter where they have mentioned about the mediation law as a compulsory paper. I believe, including our place also, it has not been introduced. Still, when we talk about the mediation law, they say, okay, we are teaching in the clinical legal paper. That Bar Council was also aware. The clinical legal papers contain a paper, like a part of mediation law in 10 hours or 15 hours. But that was not the intention. They wanted a separate compulsory paper on the mediation law. Again, the Bar Council of India has reiterated its request in the 2024, where in the month of May they served a lot later, where mediation law, artificial intelligence, and others are there. I'm very happy and pleased that to see that You are not the first, like an edition, is a fourth edition of the International Mediation Competition 2025. You have been doing it from the last 4 years, and you will continue to do for the many more years. And I'm sure that your, this journey will also motivate other law colleges in Kerala and other parts of the country to continue. And to end, I say it's a very important subject which you have taken, and I believe that this will motivate the students who participated, the students who participated in the moot court mediation competition, and they will take deeper interest in this subject, not only as a mediator. And I say that if students who have studying 3 years course, so we have 5 years, so 3 years course means a second degree, they have also graduation degree, so they can become a mediator, trained mediator, even after having a graduation. So first degree can help. So I encourage them, they go for the 40 hours mediation courses offered by the many universities, including Indian Law Institute. What they have to look into, the courses which are run by the 40 hours is recognized, because only the recognized courses can help you in becoming the our court will recognize as the official mediator. So that is the important part you should look into. And the 3 years courses a student can start. They should not wait for the legal degree. And of course, for the 5 years students, they have to wait till they complete the law degree for the mediation. They must do the 40 hours training program. They must get involved themselves. And I'm sure we have hope that in 5 to 6 years time, mediation become a very important tool in resolving on disputes, particularly in civil matters. And that will of course reduce the huge pendency in the subordinate courts which currently exist. That will help you. So I take this opportunity to congratulate all of you for conducting, all the office bearers, principal ma'am, and our good friend Nayyar sir, all taking initiative for conducting this program. My best wishes with all of you. Once again, before I end, I wish all of you very happy Women's Day tomorrow, and I'm sure that a lot of activities will be taking place in your university. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for spending your valuable time with us and also for your valuable words. We're truly enlightened. It was an honor to listen to you, absolutely. So, once again, I congratulate the winners of the fourth International Mediation Competition 2025 conducted by Kerala Law Academy. The winners, team code AH, National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. The second best team is team code Z, Delhi University, Faculty of Law. The best mediator goes to Adya Jain, team code AQ, Nuance, Kochi. Congratulations to all the winners.
Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Words by Helen Keller. Each event offers us a distinct experience as the sounds of the halls fade, but the memories remain etched in the deepest corners of our hearts. We are reminded that occasions like these serves as significant milestones in our life's journey and are inherent reminders of every small and grand occurrences around us. Now, I would like to invite Hanan Azza, a student convener of this fourth International Mediation Competition, to deliver the vote of thanks for this esteemed valedictory session.
Thank you so much, Saren. Respected dignitaries, faculties, student conveners, beloved attendees, and participants, as we come to the culmination of this event, my heart is truly filled with gratitude to everyone who has been an integral part of this fourth International Mediation Competition 2025.
Unmute yourself. You are muted, Anand?
There's a slight technical glitch, sir. Kindly wait for a second.
Am I audible right now?
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much. Who has been, 4th International Mediation Competition 2025, a highly prestigious event put forth by KLA MCS under the aegis of Kerala Law Academy Law College in association with IQAC KLA. I'm grateful not just for the success of this event, but for the support, wisdom, and encouragement that made it all possible. Organizing this competition was not just a task, it was a journey where we learned, stumbled, grew, and ultimately came together to create something remarkable. With that in mind, it is my honor and privilege to express my sincere gratitude through this vote of thanks. Firstly, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha, Sir, Vice Chancellor, Dharmashastra, National Law University, Jabalpur. Sir, your remarkable contributions to the legal landscape not only highlight your extensive expertise, but also showcase your unwavering passion for upholding justice. It is a true privilege to have you here with us today, as your presence adds immense value to this event and inspires all in attendance. Thank you, sir, for dedicating your time to be here and for sharing your insights, which motivates us to strive for excellence in our legal pursuits. Your significant impact on the community is deeply appreciated, and we're grateful for the example you set as a leader in the legal profession. We extend our wholehearted gratitude to you, sir.
Thank
Next, we seize this opportunity to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Gokul Narayan, sir, Chief Executive Officer, Asian School of Cyber Laws. With a wealth of experience and unwavering commitment to the principles of justice, his contributions to the legal field are both profound and inspiring. Sir, your presence here today elevates this gathering and serves as a beacon of integrity.
Thank you.
We are immensely grateful for the insights and inspirations you contribute to this gathering. Sir, your dedication to upholding the rule of law continues to inspire future generations to legal professionals, and it is with deep respect and admiration that I extend my heartfelt thanks to you, sir. I further extend my profound gratitude to Advocate Nagaraj Narayan, sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy Law College, Advocate High Court of Kerala, and a respected member of the Bar Council of Kerala. Sir, your steadfast support has been the North Star guiding us through the vast seas of academia and legal practice. Your diverse roles speak volumes about your dedication and passion for the legal realm. As the Director of Kerala Law Academy Law College, your vision has been instrumental in shaping the institution's identity and fostering an environment of academic brilliance. We offer to you our deepest appreciation, sir. Next, with great admiration and sincere appreciation, we offer a special tribute to Professor Anil Kumar Kesa, the luminary at the helm of all events orchestrated by the Kerala Law Academy in his pivotal role as a Director of Administration, Students, and Faculty Affairs. Sir, your unwavering support and tireless commitment not only set the stage for triumph, but also illuminates the path for all those who strive for excellence within the hallowed walls of our institution. We extend to you our sincerest gratitude to you, sir. Next, in the tapestry of our gratitude, we reserve a special thread to Professor Harindran Kesa, Principal, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Sir, we are inspired by the tenacity with which you instill in us the pursuit of greatness. It is an honor to express our deepest gratitude for your unwavering guidance, for sparking the flame of excellence within us, and for being the driving force behind every initiative that defines the spirit of Kerala Law Academy. Thank you so much, sir. We extend a special mention and heartfelt gratitude to Professor Anil Kumar G, sir, the Vice Principal of Kerala Law Academy Law College. Sir, we're not just appreciative of your guidance, we are profoundly grateful for the transformative impact you have had on us on the academic landscape. Sir, your unwavering dedication has not only shaped the present successes, but has sown the seeds for future brimming with excellence. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to you, sir. A sincere appreciation goes to Professor Dr. Ajsa Nair Elmam, HOD Kerala Law Academy, whose commitment to excellence and mentorship has guided us through the successful planning and execution of this exceptional event. Your encouragement and support are deeply valued and have contributed immensely to this program's success, ma'am. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to you as well. And without a doubt, we also extend a profound gratitude to Dr. Dakshana Saraswati, ma'am, Associate Professor and General Secretary, Moot Court Society. Ma'am, you're the backbone of every major event at this college, and this competition was absolutely not an exception. Your energy, dedication, and attention to detail has all ensured that everything runs seamlessly. More than that, your belief in our students is what keeps us going. Thank you so much for always pushing us to be our very best. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to you as well, ma'am. Next, I would also like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to Srimati Shalini AP Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College, and our beloved faculty convener. Ma'am, your dedication and tireless efforts in overseeing and supporting this event has been crucial to its success. Your guidance, expertise, and unwavering commitment have been an inspiration to us all. On behalf of our entire team, I sincerely thank you all for invaluable contributions and for being an integral part of this event's success. A sincere appreciation also goes to Advocate Priya MK Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy. Ma'am, your patience, support, and encouragement mean the world to us. You have a way of making every challenge feel surmountable, and not just by guiding us, but by instilling confidence in us. Your kindness, wisdom, and dedication inspire us every single day. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for being our pillar of support. Allow us a moment to extend our deepest appreciation and admiration to the esteemed architects of this profound journey, our revered faculty conveners, Srimati Janu Krishna ma'am, Srimati Shanti G. Nair ma'am, Srimati Arya Sunal Paul ma'am, Srimati Anusri A.S. ma'am, Advocate Binu PM sir, and Advocate Gayatri S.B. ma'am, assistant professors at Kerala Law Academy Law College. Each of you have played a crucial role in making this event what it is. Your support behind the scenes, your willingness to guide us, and your faith in our abilities have been invaluable. Thank you so much for being the anchors of this competition. I absolutely cannot move forward without acknowledging my team: Gautam S.R., Manupriya Chelan, Neeraj S., Harinarayan S., Gauri Jodish P., Banusri J.S., Nibin P. Matthew, Sarang S., Aditya J., and Digil P.S., Krishna S., and all our student co-conveners. You're all not just teammates, you're all family. The sleepless nights, the endless discussions, the laughter, and the hard work, we did it all together. This event was built on our collective determination, and I couldn't have asked for a better team. Thank you so much for every single effort you've put in, for lifting each other up, and for making this experience unforgettable. A massive thank you to all the participants who joined us from across the country. Your passion, skill, and dedication made this competition what it truly is. Watching you negotiate and mediate with such excellence was inspiring. Thank you so much for making this platform of true learning and competition. And lastly, but certainly not the least, we must express our deepest gratitude to the unsung heroes behind the scenes, the pillars upon which the grandeur of this event stands tall. Our esteemed faculty conveners, faculty members, dedicated students, the tireless teaching and non teaching staffs, and the diligent IT and technical teams, thank you all for your invaluable contributions. This competition was more than just an event. It was a celebration of hard work, resilience, and teamwork. It was about coming together to create something meaningful, something we all will look back with pride. To everyone in this session, thank you so much for being part of this journey. Your support, dedication, and encouragement have all made this a grand success. And with that, I express my deepest gratitude once again. Thank you all, and have a wonderful evening ahead.
Thank you so much, Hanan, for your warm appreciation. And I too convey my heartfelt thanks to you. As we conclude this valedictory session, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to each of you for your unwavering support and active participation. I hope all of you were able to derive the best out of this event. Now, it's time for us to witness the behind the scene video of this year's International Mediation Competition 2025. Stay tuned for the immense visual treat.
Thank you.
That was a visual treat, imbibing the hard work put in by each and every committee behind this event. I also would like to thank all those who have worked hard for the success of this event, because nothing would be possible without the wholehearted support and guidance of such strong willed and determined people behind the curtain. I hope all the participants were able to relish each moment of this event to the fullest. We sincerely hope to see you all with renewed vigor and interest in our coming events. Once again, wishing all of you for your future events. Last but certainly not the least, I thank each one of you present here for your kind cooperation.
I extend my heartfelt best wishes to all the participants and sincerely hope to meet all of you again in our upcoming events and competitions. Now I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
With that, we have come to the end of the 4th International Mediation Competition 2025. This is Gauri Sethi and Saren Susan Thomas signing off. Thank you.